Good morning. Hello, hello. Cameras on, guys.
Good morning, Patty.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, guys. Cameras on. Let's start. Sitting in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start with one Om. Inhale. Om. Exhale, release. Open your eyes. Very good. Cameras on, guys. Pragya, Anuva. Let's start. Kneeling position. Sorry, kneeling position. Tabletop position on your mat. Tabletop position. Cat and cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale. Inhale, two. Exhale. Inhale, three. Exhale. Inhale, four. Exhale. Inhale, five. Exhale. Inhale, six. Exhale. Inhale, seven. Exhale. Inhale, eight. Exhale. Inhale, nine. Exhale. Inhale, 10. Open and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, present round. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center and sit back into child's pose, extending your arms forward, forehead on the mat. Watch me. You're gonna inhale as you bend the elbows to the side, slide, press, toes, top of the feet, lift into upward facing dog. Exhale, lift the hips up, downward facing dog. Yes, you're gonna inhale, come down, sit back, exhale, and again, inhale, slide, lift, exhale, downward facing dog, and we continue 5 rounds. Let's go. Inhale forward, try to slide through the floor like a snake. At your own rhythm, 5 reps. Try to go through each pose, guys. Don't skip the poses. From child's pose, no pragya matur, no. Bend the elbows to the side, slide through the floor. You are doing a variation from other classes. It's not wrong, it's just not the one I just taught. Bend the elbows to side, Pragya. Press the hands, elbows to the sides. Yes, chest low, chest low, chest low. Low, 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 low. Press the hands. Untuck the toes, untuck the toes. No. Untuck the toes, Pragya. Yes. And from up dog, yes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Guys, continue 5 rounds. Mubaraka, 5 rounds. Done? Super fast. Too fast. Guys, slowly. We need to pass through all the poses. Those who finished child's pose, last 30 seconds for those who haven't finished yet. Take your time. Good. Now watch me, guys. Belly on the floor, on the mat. Elbows under your shoulders. You're gonna press the forearms, engage the glutes, press with the pelvis towards the floor, legs fully engaged and lift. 1. Pressing forearms, lifting legs. 2. Both legs at the same time. Forces to pressing, forearms to press down, pelvis to press down, guys. We think of cow position, lengthening from the belly, lengthening from the chest, lifting legs. 1, 2, yes. Let's go. Chest open. 1, slowly down. Eyes forward. 2, shoulders away from the ears. 3, 4, eyes forward, Pragya. 5, pressing forearms, shoulders away from the ears. 6, 7, lift up and hold. 30 seconds, press forearms, core engage. Stay, 15 seconds left. Deepika J, shoulders back, back. Yes, beautiful. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the legs down, make a pillow with the hands, rest the forehead on the floor. Good. Watch me, guys. Belly down. Hands next to your chest, elbows back. Yes, you're gonna press the hands, press the feet down, lift. Halfway, the elbow is bent. Slowly, I control with my hands. And I lift 2. Slowly down. Yeah? Ready? Elbows next to your body, hands next to your chest, eyes forward as you lift, press the hands, full palm pressing fingers engage, lift, halfway, control with the hands down, exhale. Inhale 2, exhale down. Inhale 3, exhale down. Inhale 4, exhale down. Inhale 5, exhale exhale down. Inhale 6, exhale down. Inhale 7, exhale down. 3 more. Inhale 8, eyes forward, exhale down. Inhale 9, exhale down. Last one, lift and hold, 30 seconds. Press the hands, elbows bent halfway. Shoulders away from the ears. Eyes forward, back of the neck long. Stay. Stay, stay, stay. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming down. Make a pillow with the hands. Rest the forehead on the top. Very good. Now come to tabletop position. You will bring one step forward with the hands above the shoulder, beyond the shoulder, yeah? Press the palms, watch me, pelvis in, bring the pelvis forward. Now you're gonna bend the elbows back, try to touch the chest, push. Yes, 10 reps. On the exhale, I push up. Elbows like a T-Rex, chest down, press the hands, fingers, exhale. Yeah? 10 reps. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and we go. 1, 2, chest is touching, not the belly. 3, everyone trying, Pragya, try. 4, 5, pelvis in Anuva, pelvis in Shiva, 6, 7, 8, Nilesh, come on. 9, 10. Good. Take a moment. Now, watch me. We will start downward facing dog. So you take tabletop position stance. That's your measurement. Press the hands. Lengthen the spine, hips up if you can. Heels to the floor, otherwise knees bend. The spine is nice and long, not here. There's no point in being here. Open pelvis, lengthen spine and keep the knees bent. Now from here, inhale we go high plank. No breath, it means exhaling, leaving the air out of the lungs, bringing the knees, open cow position, chest down. Yes. Inhale forward, baby cobra. Exhale the toes, leave the hips. I repeat, inhale, round forward, high plank, empty lungs, so breath out. Knees open pelvis before you try to bring the chest down. When I bring the chest down, comes in between my thumbs. And then I slide forward, open chest, I bring the chest forward, and I tuck toes under, lift up, downward facing dog. Yes? 5 reps. Let's start. Everyone downward facing dog. Five reps, guys. 5 reps. Mark every pose. Those who finish, child's pose. Those who finish, child's pose. Good. Now watch me. We will come back to tabletop position. And now I open like cow, press the hands, land the chest to the floor as much as possible. Exhale, push. Yes, I bring the chest forward, I land it between the thumbs, and I push. As much as possible. Yes, keep your hands as they are shoulder distance. If it's not possible, open tiny bit. So you give more space till the elbows come like this. Not like this, like a T-Rex. Yeah? Make sense? 10 reps. Chest forward, guys. Let's go. 1. Exhale up. 2. Press palms, fingers to press up. 3. 4. 5. 6. Not backwards, Pragya, up. 7. Try. 8. 9. Yes, up, Pragya, come on. Almost. One more for Pragya. Try one more, Pragya, you're very close. Those who finish the 10th one, child's pose. Press up, Pragya. Press, come on. Ah! If you drop the hips, then it's not possible to come up. You are very close, Pragya, very close. Guys, in all of these exercises that we are pressing, all the corners of the hands are pressing, fingers are active. Yeah? Cannot be just placing the hand on the mat, has to press against the mat. That also gives you the momentum and the stability and the grounding all together. Yeah? Now, we will take the blocks. Where are my blocks? Take the blocks, second setting, top of the mat. Yes? And you're gonna open. Try to bring the chest to the floor and hold. Yes? If you can, watch me. Those who, I show you like this so you can see what's my chin doing. If you touch the chin, pull. Those who are comfortable with the chest down, you will be able to lift the chin up. Do that. Yes? Let's go. 45-second hold. Guys, lengthen fully, shoulders to the ears. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's start the timer. Press hands to blocks. Open from the pelvis. Try to reach the chest down or as close as possible. Guys, hands on top of the blocks. On top. Pragya, hands on top. Otherwise, the exercise is different. Press hands actively, guys. The arms keep active. Anupama, press the hands, lock the elbows if possible, and one step back with the knees. Mubaraka, two step back with the knees. Lakshmi, one step forward with the knees. Pragya Shivastava, place the hands. Yes, lock the elbows. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the hands from the pelvis, come up. Very good. Now, watch me. You will take your blocks. Second setting. Shoulder distance apart. Yes. And you're going to place your fingertips behind. Now from here, I want you to come forward, touch, exhale up. Forward, touch, exhale up. Yes, 10 reps. Forward, so my hands are pressing down, fingers are active. I don't know if you can appreciate on camera, but when I'm coming forward, my fingers activate. So I want this activation, this gripping of the fingers. Yes, full palm pressing. I lean forward and I try to find my 90-degree angle on the arm. Yes? Let's try. On the exhale, we press up back to tabletop. Keep the knees under your hips, guys. Full tabletop. 1. Inhale forward and down. Exhale, press up. 2. Second setting of the blocks, Anupama, this is too low. Yes. 3. Try to touch, come on guys. 4. Nilesh, second setting of the block like this. You are here, bring it here. 5. 6. 7. 8. Nilesh, change your blocks. Second setting. 9. Last one. 10. Touch and hold. Touch down and hold. Touch down and hold. Keep pressing with the hands, guys. Don't let the weight come into the blocks. Only soft touch. 10. Kalpana, what are your blocks? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, in general, very good. Some of you, why you're not listening? Some of you have the block here instead of here. Some of you have no block. And some of you have the shoulder outside of the block. Why are you making your life so complicated? Guys, the shoulder come on top. Some of you, don't ask me how you're doing. Maybe you're doing something like this, but the shoulders are not remotely coming. Yes? Tabletop position means tabletop position. Wrist, elbow, shoulder in one line, straight spine, and knees under your hips. Not this. Yeah? And not this. Some of you are also here trying to reach here very weirdly. Yeah? Guys, pressing here, leaning forward, bending elbows, trying to touch. If the block is lower, you need to go here. Some of us cannot reach here in the beginning, so we need first a higher variation. Yeah? If you have now something not clear, if you cannot see something on screen, please ask me. Yeah? Now, we will remove the blocks. Well, not two. Only one block, sorry guys. Tabletop position, yes? Open pelvis. Try to touch the chin on the edge of the mat. Yeah? I adjust my hands, and I want to lengthen the throat. Now, I try to touch the chest down. If it's not touching, it's fine. Yes, the hands are actively holding me. I'm not relying on the block, otherwise it will hurt. Yeah? So the chin is softly touching. Yes, and I try to think of lengthening here rather than thinking of bringing the head back. Otherwise, you will feel cervical compression. So it's a very soft touch. Yeah, the weight of your body is on the hands. This is complementary, cherry on top of the cake. Here, so you can lengthen. Yeah? If you haven't used this lengthening in a long time, you might feel the stretch here. Otherwise, you feel nothing. Yeah, what you should not feel is extreme compression in your cervicals. Okay? Block now on the second setting, not higher. Yes? Tabletop position, block in front, test one time if your chin is reaching, and then adjust accordingly. On the low setting, Saloni? Low setting. Everyone ready? Go down. We are holding elbows close to your body. Pragya, pink t-shirt. One step back with your hands. So they are, yeah, lean forward. Pragya, the issue here is that you're not leaning for, yes, a little bit more, come on. Yes, bring the block more away from you. Everyone trying, guys, everyone trying. Keep pressing hands. One step behind Deepika with your hands. Yes. Lean forward, yes. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly exhale up. Now,
Ma'am, is it okay to bring our chest, if your chest is coming down on the mat, is that fine?
as you reach more, my chest is also touching. As you reach more opening here, when you're, I don't know if you can see, but I'm wearing all black. Well, when you're pulling, can you see the pulling forward? So when you're opening this in your cow position, when you go down, there's extra opening here, therefore the chest can come.
So that's normal? That's okay?
It's fine. When we don't have enough thoracic opening, the chest might be more limited, but it's only a matter of practice. Yeah? Nothing to worry about. Any which ways, in chin stand, the chest doesn't come to the floor. Yeah, it's your hands. It's not the chest stand. Now, we will go into belly to the floor. Watch my arms. Full spine straight, legs hip distance. Arms next to my body, palms pressing down. And I walk as far as I can. So I don't want to be here. I want to walk far. I press with the pelvis down, engage the core. Press the hands, lift. Chest and legs. This is core engagement. The hands pressing to the mat. They don't lift. Press. You will be able to lift more from the belly as well. But the real work here is not a bending from the back. Is core engagement. Legs also. Yes? So we lift. 1. Slowly I control. Inhale 2. Slowly I control. Yes? 5 reps. 2 rounds. Ready? Press the hands, engage the core, lift, inhale. Slow exhale down, 1. Inhale. Exhale down, 2. Inhale. Exhale down, 3. Inhale. Exhale down, 4. Inhale. Exhale down, 5. Take a rest, make a pillow with the hands, rest the forehead. And then we go second round.
Patty, are we lifting the hands too?
No, the hands are pressing down.
Okay, okay.
They will want to lift. If you, when you are up, you press one more time with the hands, you might be able to lengthen more from the belly up, engage more the core and lift a little bit higher.
Okay.
They are extra support. Second round, guys. 5 more reps. Let's go. 1. Yes, slowly down. 2. Slowly down. 3. Slowly down. 4. Slowly down. 5. Lift, 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 lift. Hold it. Keep pressing hands, lifting the core. Eyes forward. Stay, last 10. 9. Beautiful, guys. Stay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. 30-second rest. Good. Guys, watch me. Now, we will take the blocks. High setting. Leg forward, straight. And now we will press the foot, low lunge. Exhale, press the heel, knee bend or straight fully, half split. Yeah, 5 times. Last time we will hold it here 30 seconds and then here 30 other seconds. Yes? Ready? Press the hands to the blocks on the high setting. Inhale, bend the front knee, pelvis down. Exhale, press the foot and extend or keep the knee bent. Inhale, 2. Exhale, back. Inhale, 3. Exhale, back.
Now,
Inhale,
can you show the front angle?
what?
Front angle of you doing this?
Front angle.
Yeah.
When I'm going forward, I'm pressing the foot. Yes, the blocks are here. And when I'm going back, I'm pressing the heel. Yes? Last one, guys, hold it in the low lunge. We hold 30 seconds. Press the feet down. Hold it here. If someone wants to tuck toes under, interlace the fingers front thigh and go into active low lunge. You can do this to go deeper into psoas and hip flexors. Otherwise, knee down. 30 seconds starting now. Eyes forward. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Change leg. Left foot forward. Frame it with the blocks. Extend the leg. Inhale. Press. Low lunge. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Pelvis as low as possible. Press the foot. Exhale to extend. Inhale. Exhale 3. Inhale. Exhale 4. Inhale. Exhale 5. Hold it forward, low lunge. Low lunge, low lunge. 30 seconds. Active low lunge. Those who did on the other side. Pick the same variation. Interlace fingers front thigh. Press away. Stay low and stay with your breath. Eyes forward, guys. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, half split on this side and we go right side. Keep the knee bent, open pelvis or legs straight. Think of bringing the belly towards the thighs. Those who can, pull straight. Forehead towards your chin. 30 seconds. Press the heel down, open pelvis. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale, tabletop and change side. Oh.
We didn't hold the half split on the other side.
Yeah, we're going now other side. Right leg, guys. Extend the leg, heel down, toes up. With the knee bend, folding over the leg. And we go. Nilesh, don't try to go into your front split. This is half split. Keep the hip on top of your knee. Right hip on top of your knee. So swing the left leg back. Yes. Toes up, toes up. Use the blocks, Nilesh. Use the blocks. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Very good. Now, we can all move close to the wall. We don't need it yet, but we will keep there until the end of the class. Now, you will keep the blocks second setting. Shoulder distance apart. Watch me, guys. Tabletop position. I bend the elbows, reach for the shoulder. So I have like a 90 degree here, where the middle finger is in the center of the block. Yes, pressing palms. Now, I will lift the hips up. Leave one leg and hold. Yes, I go knee down, point the other leg. Lift. I'm not kicking, guys. Yes, I'm just lengthening. Knee down, the upper leg doesn't move. It's just a visual effect, okay? It moves because I'm extending the left knee. 1. And here, yes, I don't bring all the weight in my shoulders because they have the blocks. You need to imagine if I go and remove the block, you need to find your balance, right? Somehow. So weight on the hands, yes? The chin stand eventually, it's here, yes? So imagine if the weight is not on the chin, where is it? In your hands, which is this structure in your arms. Yeah, I'm wearing all black, but the arm structure is what's holding you basically, not your chin. Chin is just decoration. Yeah? So when we are doing these exercises with the blocks, we don't do and lay all the weight on the block. We do it with awareness, just for support. 10-20% of your weight on the block. Rest is your handwork. Yes, so really pressing all the corners. I repeat one more, guys. Tabletop position, middle finger on the center of the block. Reach forward. Bring the hips up. Lift the leg pointed toes. Knee down, inhale. Exhale up. Knee down, inhale. Exhale up. That's it. 5 reps each leg. Everyone trying? Don't swing the upper leg. Upper leg only moves because the other knee extends. Yes? So if you are having the right leg up, there's no swing. Meghna, are you swinging the upper leg or it's a visual effect? Are you moving it? Only the knee that is touching to the floor moves. The leg that is up doesn't move consciously. It will have the visual effect that goes like this. But I'm having the feeling for you, Meghna, that you are on top of it, swinging it up and back.
I think it was swinging a little bit. I'll try it again, ma'am.
Okay. Guys, hands.
Patty,
Yeah, with pink t-shirt, don't go too close to the wall. Where is the space? No. More away. Don't worry, you're not lifting. You're safe. Away, yes.
Patty, yeah, can I place my knees on the mat because I'm getting a cracking sound when I'm lifting the knees up.
Oh, maybe there's some air in your knee joint.
Yeah.
You're getting a cracking sound all the time?
Now when I'm lifting up the knee, the knee which is down, when I'm lifting up, I'm getting the cracking sound.
Okay, so this one, you walk the knees in, yes,
Huh?
or you can go down from tabletop and walk the knees, whatever is more comfortable. And once you're here, lift the leg up. If
Yeah,
you can
okay.
lift a little bit the knee, don't lift fully and hold.
Okay.
Yeah, don't
Yeah.
expand.
Thank you.
It's gonna be more active pose, huh? So 10 seconds rest, 10 seconds rest. Urvashi, no. You are swinging the upper leg. Keep the leg up. No. Stay low. Go down. Leg up and now tag the right toes. Extend the right knee. 1. Now right knee down. Mubaraka weight. And extend again. That's it, Urvashi. Like this, both sides. Control the leg. It's externally rotating. Keep internal rotation upper leg. Yes, Mubaraka?
Can you check mine?
Yes. Yes, Mubaraka looks good. Solid arms. Yes. Lakshmi, very good.
Patty, I have a question.
Yes, Miru.
So when I'm on tabletop but then with my shoulder on the block, I'm feeling the weight a little bit more on my shoulder, whereas when I lift my leg, it's coming off. So is it okay that I'm feeling more weight on my shoulder when I'm down with my knees.
When you're lifting the leg, you're feeling more weight on the shoulder.
No, less.
Less. That's good. The
So,
weight is
but
on
when
the
I'm
hand. Yeah?
yeah, but when I'm on my knees, I'm feeling the weight on my shoulder. Is that okay?
Because when you extend the leg, you have a little bit more space to press and lift the chest. In the beginning,
Okay.
we go shoulders down, and because the blocks are low, the shoulders are below. But think that for the chin stand, the shoulders have to almost touch the floor.
Okay.
Yeah? Depending how opening is the chest, they will touch or they will not touch.
Okay. But so far it's okay.
So far is good. So far is good. Guys, did we do 5 reps each side? Each leg? Did we do only one leg? What's going on? Everyone did both legs? Someone who didn't? Okay, some of you are finishing. Finish. Yes, Nidhi. When you lift, lift the leg first. Right leg up first. Now tuck the toes, extend the knee. Yes. And now bend the left knee. Touch. Good. Keep the leg up. Leg stays up. Yeah? Super. Anupama. Keep the upper leg up. Yes. Good. Deepika K, yes. Extend the upper leg, Deepika, if you can. Extend the right leg. Yes. That's it. Very good. Yeah? Who is it?
Ritika, I'm feeling more weight on my shoulders.
When you go up or when you are down?
Then when I'm going down forward, when I'm placing my chin down, I feel more on
The
my.
first step. This is what I was explaining to Miru. Miru? To someone I was explaining this. Miru. Yeah? You are going down and sometimes we don't have enough space. We are going very low. It's easier when one leg is extended because there's more space. Your hips are in the air. From tabletop, your hips are lower. Yeah? So there's more weight, but the position is not that. This is just a prep to then extend the leg. Yeah, don't.
Or even I am extending my leg. At the time also, I am feeling more weight on my shoulders.
Keep pressing with the hands. Yeah, this is a practice of bringing the weight and awareness in the palm. Palm is not only resting on the floor, it's pressing against the floor like you want to root down.
And we are placing the palm like this or like this. At the side or at here.
T-Rex. T-Rex. Like this. Yeah? Not more back, not more up. T-Rex. The shoulders are down 90 degrees. Yeah?
Okay.
Now, guys, we will hold with one leg up. Everyone. Yes, we have the blocks. Nothing to worry about. 20-second hold each leg. We bring the hands behind, same exercise. Reach the shoulders to the blocks, press palms, lift the hips. You can walk a little bit closer, lift one leg, and we hold. Yes? Keep thinking of looking forward and chin reaching forward. And it's not going to reach the floor. The chin is not going to reach the floor, guys, but it's lifted. Yeah? You know the turtles? They do this all the time. So sing like a turtle. Yeah? It's not gonna touch, yeah? But it's a good example of how to do this.
But in chin stand, chin is anyway down on the mat, right?
Yes, but we are doing chin stand with the blocks, Saloni.
I am not
We're
using
doing
the
an easy
block.
version.
I'm not doing with the block. So my
Aha, then your chin is touching, but you are not following my instructions there.
I'm able to do it complete chin stand also,
Fine, but it's good even if we have the pose to go into the previous variations because it allows us to work as.
ma'am, when I'm using the block, I feel like I feel very restricted when I use the block somehow. So when I started also my chin stand journey, I had to remove the block so that I can take my leg up. I feel very restricted. My body comes this position. So that's why I
Try
have to.
the hold, Saloni. Try the hold. We will do after without those who are ready.
My chin is hurting.
But it's certain because the weight is coming here. That's why I'm doing these exercises. So we don't start directly with the chin down. Yeah? I know it's uncomfortable with the block. Sometimes we are almost touching. It's fine, guys. Yeah? This exercise, even if you have a pose and let's say we'll pose any other pose, it's always good to come back to foundations. Why? Because it allows us to work deeper, strengthen the foundations, and if there's any detail that we are not nailing, we can nail it from the bottom. When you are without support, you cannot have this level to correct. Yeah, because you're already in the pose. So the little misalignments, the little cues we are missing, we are able to correct only when we go back to foundations. Yeah, it's like if I tell you now, let's do a full class on cat and cow. So many details we miss in the day-to-day class. I can give you 1 hour on cat and cow only. It's a simple position we do every day, but it has a lot of little cues. If you start skipping these in your day-to-day practice because oh, you're so advanced, then the day you go back, you will feel like, oh, this is different. Oh, I don't have this opening anymore. Why? Because you didn't go back to your foundations. And cat and cow is foundation for back bends. Yeah? Like this with everything. Yes? So, 20-second hold, guys. Try to bring the awareness on the hands. Yeah? Let's go.
I think there's a little pain in the neck. Is that okay when you go down?
Pain or discomfort?
Yeah, discomfort.
Make sure you are not doing this. Lengthen. Can you see the difference? I'm not collapsing here. I'm bringing the shoulders away. Sometimes unawareness, we go down like this. Away. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Kalpana, let's go. Blocks on second setting, Kalpana. Anupama, blocks on second setting. You have them on the low setting. It's going to be challenging. Also, Urvashi has them on the low setting, but you're doing good. Stay, guys. 10, 9. Lock the upper knee, Deepika. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming down. And we change leg. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and up. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Super. Watch me, guys. Final exercise for today. 2 rounds. We will kick. So, arm distance from the wall. Yes, I will place my hands. Yes, for me, I was already here. Check for yourself. Guys, option 1, those who have never practiced chin stand, they are scared of chin stand, you are not fully sure, blocks. I would also recommend those who know chin stand, blocks on the first round. Yes, so we will kick and try to touch the wall. How? Same foundation here. I touch the toes, lift the hips up. Walk as much as possible. Lift one leg, swing the leg, engage the core try. First, I try to touch. If I can touch, other leg. I go down and I try again. Kick and down. Again. When I come down, if I feel I went too far, readjust. And again. Yes, eventually this is the pose. Yeah?
Do the final pose again. I missed it, sorry.
Yes. Final pose with block, huh? This is what we should aim for right now. Yes? Core is what's helping me lift and hold. Yeah, it's a kick, but if I don't engage the core, everything crumbles down.
Are you placing your chin down?
Mine, particularly in my case, is almost touching. But the blocks, we don't expect the chin to touch. Don't
Vati, can you show from the front?
Say again?
Can you show from the front how your chin is, like how
Yeah.
your face is?
Yeah. Hopefully you can see me. So, my chin is not touching, see? Now it will almost touch when I go up. Yeah? I can make it touch. But it's not the goal, guys. With the blocks, it's very difficult. Yeah, it's not the aim. The aim of the blocks is to give you the support and confidence that you can kick and hold without collapsing down. It's the same way to try. Yeah? Guys, it looks easier when you see it on the screen. Don't get overconfident. Yeah? The way this Anuba is saying no.
In screen also, it's not. In screen also, it's not look easier at all.
But I'm saying it looks easier with the blocks compared to the chin down, right? But guys, the blocks are again support. Yeah? Everyone trying, guys?
Betty, I think I got it. Can you check? I have to leave. I have a class.
Yes,
just-
yes. Go for it, guys. Go for it. I have also another class, 2-3 minutes. Last push of the day. Saloni, yes, very good. Yes, Ashika. Keep the knees locked. Keep the knees locked. Yes. Good job. Yes, Urvashi. Feet together, Urvashi, if you can. Meghna, very solid. Deepika, come on, Deepika J. Kick, 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 kick.
Thank you for the class, Betty. Bye.
Thank you so much, Ishika. Have a good class. Kalpana, feet together. Very good. Solid. Super, guys. Nilesh, try. Those who are not trying. Anuva, yes? Who's asking?
Ritika.
Ritika.
Ma'am, when I'm try to kick, my face is collapsing on the floor.
Are you trying with the blocks?
Yeah.
How is your face collapsing? Is your face going down?
I don't know. I'll show you.
Yes, you might be doing, look at me. You might be doing this. Look me from the side. Here. You might be doing this. Keep it open. So my shoulders on top of the blocks are doing like a cow position. So this part of the chest, yes, that is now in between the blocks, it's doing like a cow position. If I press against, I'm closing, which is equal to neutral position. So you might be doing a straight line. Yes, use the shoulders towards the blocks to open. The shoulders go back, the chest goes forward.
Oh.
Yeah? Yes, Mubarak, a good try. Lakshmi also good. Nilesh, show me. Miru, I'm watching. Miru, open, core. Nilesh, yes. Feet together, Nilesh, very good. Lock the knees. Preeti, continue. Core, Preeti pink t-shirt, core. Saloni, show me without the blocks. Super. Weight on the hands. Start lengthening from the belly if you can. Bend the knees if you want to go for scorpion. Go into, yes, super. Good. Slowly. Same control of the core to come out. Did you feel any difference, Saloni, in your weight? Less weight on the chin?
Yeah, I mean, I think when I
Will
started,
touch, guys. The chin will touch.
because yesterday also I practiced chin stand,
Ah,
so my jaw is already hurting. So
yeah.
I might get bruise here today. I might bruise.
It happens sometimes, but sometimes we are pressing too much. And sometimes also we are clenching the jaw. And all of this
So
gets
do you put exactly this part, or do you put like
You put this
entirely?
here, a little bit under the bone.
Okay, okay, I get it.
It's
So
like
I
under
am
the
putting
bone.
this part. You are telling me to put this part a little.
A little bit under the bone. So the bone is here, right? The pointy bone is here. One finger, sorry, one step in.
Half an inch.
Yeah. The thing is, in the beginning, we can only place the bone. Why? Because the muscles have not lengthened this much. So the entry point is here in the beginning, which feels more tough sometimes. We feel neck compression. I remember my beginner days, I have good amount of neck compression because I was very stubborn.
But I'm not sure if my shoulder is like back, like the way you told us. Do not keep it like this, keep it like this.
When you are going down and you are setting the position, yes, you go in, yes, and then go. Yeah. But if you try to go like this, see the shoulders are already compressed. Yeah, they are already pressing my cervicals. If on top of it, a little bit extra weight comes on the chin, the pressure from here goes directly here and goes
To the
down.
ear end. Okay.
Really awful sensation. Because that stays with you after the class, I know. Yeah? Any pressure here goes here, all of this muscle, all of the cervicals until the scapula. Really awful sensation.
Pati, check mine now, please.
Who is it?
Shiba.
Shiva, yes, guys, last 30 seconds. I have another class, but please send me a video. Stay 1 more minute. Kick again. Send me the video. I will check one by one as soon as I finish my classes. Yes? Don't skip it. You are warm now to do this. Yeah? Yes, Shiva? Super. Very good. Patty,
Yes.
it's me. When I was up, you said core. Like, what was I supposed to do? I didn't get that. You said,
Yeah. The legs together.
no, you were saying something about the core.
The core, your pelvis was a little bit open instead of.
Okay.
So you squeeze the glutes and keep. Core is lifting you up. Because you are touching the wall, you were able to open the pelvis. Unaware. In your head, you were straight. Yeah. But if you would not be touching the wall, you will be already falling down. Because that part opening will not support you in that position.
All right.
Yeah? Guys, please send me the video. Yes, I want to see everyone one by one.
I have one more question, like very small. There is
I
one.
have another class in 1 minute. I really have to go. Send me a message, please.
Okay.
I want to attend all the
Okay,
questions. I know this
Okay.
generates million questions. Send me privately, send on the group. Yes, I'm always available, but I have to run. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you for handstand those for coming later. Do the prayer after your rep. Yeah? Please do the prayer. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.